Hi, I'm really excited about my next webinar, which is on the topic of the beliefs around believing we are enough. And this can really lead us to second guessing what we think other people want from us, what we think we should be doing, all these shoulds and shouldn'ts that come into play. But more than that, it can stop us from putting ourselves forward for roles because maybe we think we're not enough. What right do I have to do that? What right do I have to stand up on stage and share about this, vision I have? What right do I have to put myself forward for that role that's a level up than I'm at right now? So we question ourselves constantly, and it's such a habit that sometimes it just becomes second nature, and we don't notice we're doing that, and all that negative self-talk can really stop us from progressing, and we can find ourselves stuck. And as soon as we start to think, oh, I'm going to do that, we talk ourselves out of it as the self-doubt comes in. So we're going to spend an hour and a half diving into your specific challenges and situations where I am enough, or I'm not enough, can be coming into play. And we're going to use a combination of coaching, mindfulness and workshop to really dive into it and understand where we're doing this, and then coming up with actions so that we take this forward and actually start to do things differently right from the end of that webinar. So very much looking forward to seeing you there. And can't wait. It's Tuesday evening, 8 o'clock till 9:30. See you there.